healing our connection to the divine womb is part of your personal evolution and part of the evolution of the planet. And in this beautiful womb space is the center of all creation. And in that darkness is a portal, a magical temple of the most beautiful unconditional love and unity. And so connection with our womb is connecting with the divine. And as we heal our connection with our womb, we ignite the divine feminine within us. So what does cacao have to do with womb connection and womb healing? Well, chocolate has captivated the world for thousands of years, and the indigenous have known for even longer just how powerful of a master plant medicine this is, how beautiful and powerful it is at opening up our hearts. And what cacao does for us is it helps us to release these emotional footprints, these subconscious patterns that we've all been living based on some stories or limiting beliefs that we have. And cacao helps to bring these to the surface so that we can acknowledge them and love them and release them and create a whole new reality for ourselves. And so how perfect to drink cacao and to have a cacao ceremony before we begin our womb healing and our womb connecting, so that we can access this higher consciousness, this beautiful master plant, higher consciousness, and allow the consciousness to support us in bringing up these emotional footprints for us, these stories, these beliefs, as we go deep into our womb and enjoy the beautiful transmissions and activations. Join myself and Giovanna, who's a moon mother attuned by Miranda Gray, to experience some profound guided transmissions and activations and meditations. Giovanna will lead you into healing and moving personal emotions so that your deepest dreams can be awakened and your entire life transformed. So here's what to expect at the in-person or online ceremony. You're going to sit in a beautifully decorated space filled with candles, flowers, crystals, and cushions, or whatever else brings you joy and comfort. You're going to experience the warm feminine energies of the powerful and delicious cacao master plant medicine to awaken yourself into presence, compassion, and love. You'll connect with your sacred womb and deepen your connection to the Divine Mother. You'll be guided through several powerful womb connecting and healing meditations to awaken your creative higher self. These include the womb tree grounding meditation, the heart-to-heart activation, the ancestral healing meditation and release, the womb renewal activation, and the self-womb healing meditation. You'll express your beautiful self through journaling and guided chanting, and you'll experience a deep connection to your womb, your creative center, your own personal and power vortex. If you're feeling called, join us for our next Sacred Womb Connection and Cacao Ceremony. May we all remember who we really are and why we have come here. Sat Nam, Namaste. Mwah.